Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that claims to change the way you drink water at home. The Frizzlife MD40 electric water filter pitcher. It's not your average pitcher. This is an electric dual filter instant purification system. In full transparency, I was sent all three of these products in today's video for the purpose of making this video. We'll put it head to head against the water drop and Brita pitchers, do some taste comparisons with other home purifiers, and see if the MD40 is really worth it. So let's start with design and build. The MD40 has a 18 cup capacity, that's over a gallon of water, so it's perfect for families or offices. The tank has a handle which makes refilling super easy. The big difference here is that it isn't a gravity filter like the Brita. With one tap of a button, you get instant filtered water, no waiting, and that's a huge convenience upgrade. It also runs on a 4,500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, which is about 20 days of use per charge. That means you can move it anywhere, like the kitchen to bedroom, an RV, or even take it camping. Inside you've got two high density carbon block filters, filtering down to 1 micron precision. That means it catches chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, bad taste, odors, all while keeping essential minerals in. So you're not just getting cleaner water, you're getting better tasting water. All right, let's compare. So number of cartridges. So Brita uses 1 filter. The Brita does use a very basic 4-stage filtration system. Water drop uses 1. The water drop does use a 7-stage filtration. Again, it does have a mesh screen, some activated carbon ion, and then a premium activated carbon just to give that little extra. But Frizzlife MD40 uses 2 cartridges. That's 2 times more the purifying power. Now the MD40 is very unique as it does use 2 high precision carbon block filters. So they're actually working together for a stronger purification result. Filtration speed. With Brita and water drop, you're waiting minutes for water to drip through. The MD40 is instant. You just have that one press and then you're drinking. Filtration effect. In a standard chlorine water test, the Brita reduces the taste and odor slightly. Water drop does better, but the MD40 with its 1 micron dual system pretty much wipes out all chlorine taste completely. Same goes for ink tests, the MD40 clears it up, noticeably faster and more thoroughly. I did want to test the quality of the water. So starting with water from the faucet, you can see this is pretty high. This is actually pretty undrinkable. You definitely shouldn't be drinking with those type of numbers. So then I did try the Brita. Now this is a gravity fed system with a 4-stage filtration. Again, it's definitely better than my faucet water. Then the water drop actually kind of surprised me. I expected these numbers to be better than the Brita. Unfortunately, it did not come out as clean. The Frizzlife MD40 uses a pressurized electric pump system instead of gravity to move water through the dual 1 micron filters. When activated, water is drawn from the reservoir and pushed through the filtration chambers at high speed. This pressure-driven flow allows water to pass quickly and evenly through dense filter media. So it's removing up to 99.9% of contaminants while maintaining mineral content. The result is fast, on-demand filtration, much quicker than traditional gravity-fed pitchers. Okay, the filter life. Brita lasts about 2 months or 120 gallons. Water drop about 200 gallons. And the Frizzlife MD40 lasts 6 months or 400 gallons. So you're replacing filters half as often, which saves money long term. Appearance and build. Brita and wardrobe look like standard pictures. The MD40 has a more sleek countertop dispenser look, and with that button activation, it feels modern and more premium. Tank volume. Brita averages 10 cups, water drop around 12, and the MD40 gives about 18 cups, so it's nearly double. So across the board, the MD40 wins in speed, effectiveness, and capacity. Now for the real taste. So first, a tap of water straight from the faucet. Definitely metallic, a little chlorine heavy. It's really not ideal to be drinking straight from the faucet, to be honest. So next, Brita. So I found this was definitely a cleaner taste, but still had a faint aftertaste. Then water drop. Now this had better clarity, but it flattens the water a bit. It's a bit of a weird sensation. Now MD40. Noticeably crisp. There's definitely no chlorine bite, and you can still taste a bit of that natural mineral character. It is refreshing and it's not flat. So compared to my under sink purifier system, which usually gives me the cleanest taste, honestly the MD40 is right there with it. In some cases even fresher, because it doesn't strip the minerals. It's in daily use that the MD40 really shines. The large capacity means I don't have to refill it constantly. The one-tap system is a game changer. I found myself actually drinking more water because it's so quick and easy. The filter life indicator is another smart touch. No more guessing if it's time to replace filters. The picture just tells you. This is the issue I have with my inbuilt fridge purifier system and my reverse osmosis system under my sink. I'm just really doing a guessing game, or I need to log when I'm actually changing up those filters. And with a 20-day rechargeable battery, I've literally taken it from the kitchen to the living room, during work sessions, or even outside for picnics. It's portable, flexible, and low maintenance. So is the Frizzlife MD40 worth it? Well, compared to Brita and water drop, it's faster, more effective, holds more water, and lasts longer between filter changes. Against other home purifiers, it competes on taste while being, well, a lot more portable. So if you want a clean, crisp, instantly available drinking water without the wait, this picture really delivers. Now, if you are interested in the MD40 today, we are going to be leaving a link in the description. You can head on over there and find out some more information or pick one up for yourself. Let me know in the comments what your favorite feature was. Share this with a friend who wants that crispier, fresher tasting purified water on the move. Hit that like button and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this. I'll see you in the next one.